Hi everyone, welcome to this new feature update where we have introduced a policy based cash acceptance limit concept in point of sale system. Before I show you the software working, let's understand the background of the same. Government had introduced a restriction on accepting cash of 2 lakh or more from the customer as follows. In aggregate from the same person in a day, in respect to a single transaction, in respect of transactions relating to one event or occasion from a person. In order to help the clients managing this validation currently via SOP, we have introduced this check in the system based on a policy setting. Now let's see the software working. A new system policy has been introduced. Here you can see restrict cash transactions of and above specify value. By default this will be blank. You can specify the limit here. Currently it's 2 lakhs, so you can specify the 2 lakh limit here. The impact of this is that in point of sale transactions, the cashier won't be allowed to receive cash of 2 lakhs or more in a particular transaction, as well as in aggregate from the same customer in a day. Now let's see the point of sale restriction. I have selected an item with a price of 2,10,000. Now I'm moving ahead to the payment screen, and if I try to receive the entire amount in cash, the system won't allow me, stating that the limit is 2 lakh and I cannot proceed with 2,10,000 as cash. What I can do is I can change the value to, let's say, 1,95,000 in cash and the remaining 15,000 in credit card or voucher, whatever it is. Now let's see the working of the same in deposit bill as well. I am going into the deposit bill. Now I am trying to take a cash value of 2,10,000 and trying to save this transaction. Again here it's showing that I am going beyond the limit specified in the policy. I won't be allowed to proceed with the transaction. Please note that we have introduced this validation in the customer aggregate as well. Like if the same customer is making multiple transactions in a day and going beyond the specified limit in the policy, the system will restrict the transaction similar to what we have shown you right now. To summarize the changes, we have introduced a new system policy where you can specify the 2 lakh limit specified by the government. The impacted modules are POS bill and deposit bill. We have applied the following validations, that is, in a single transaction, cash shouldn't exceed the defined limit as defined in the policy. From the same customer, cash should not exceed the defined limit within a single day, considering multiple transactions. Thank you. This presentation was done by business analysis team. For any further information, please contact Ginesys Care.